Namane Dixon Masemola, Roberta Pogole, Mayor Warena, what district, Executive Mayor, Councillor Kiamutin Ramaila, Paola Marumo, Mayor Makutama Municipality, Councillor Bahule, Morale Adashami, One Pijuatsefa, Paola Maru, Morale Adashami, Massachusetts. Welcome. Chairperson Ndula Stulo wa Boti Arena Road Agency Limpopo Matume Ralibipi Le Kamunkaba Farafari Leng, the CEO and all executives present here. Makansela Kamukalo Ofa by district Leva Makutama. Members of the media, Sichaba Kamuka Sabatau, Secretary Laufa, Rerata Poletanisha, Relerete Kamukaralena. Barishu Kawarkia Busha Mugala Yasaviwa Kibeti Bimile Oblishan Alena Kalele Milela Awarena. If I like out there, we shall have our message as a media or Namo Bala speech say, I'm hustling Garon. I'm a horse, we are ancient, was we are ancient Garon. Margaret Piazema or Moama Samolano Salerno, all our name gold or honor, Alava music. So Sabiwa ya kola gas baby the real push which I lower Kermola Kolela which I lower Baba native Shimumbasa or it's a Kamuka Requana Levanquana Releva Linchule Al Samu. Program Director, the completion of this road is an important milestone for the people of this area, Kamasemola. This road is an access route that connects the people of Kamasemola to R33. This R33 is the main route that crosses almost the entire school. We have come here in the land of Koshiradi Masemola, Masakwa Amwatu, to share with you the fruits of our hard-earned democracy. Democracy is indeed about taking services to the people. Democracy is a revolutionary process. A revolutionary process in the sense that it changes the lives of our people to the better. That indeed is the role of democracy. Democracy is indeed about taking services to the people and quality services, ladies and gentlemen. Democracy is about building schools, building clinics, building roads such as this one, making sure that all the people are receiving basic services. Sometimes people say that this democracy does not work for them. In most instances, this is because we refuse to see the massive developments and service delivery happening around us. Everywhere you go in this province, you will see democracy in action. You will see our people harvesting fruits from the tree of freedom. We have built RDP houses. We have electrified households. We have provided clean drinking water. And we are providing our children with quality and accessible education. I am saying this, ladies and gentlemen, because there are those who conveniently lose their sight and can no longer see, simply because it is an election season. During an election season, even someone who woke up from an RDP house will believe that the government is not building houses. A parent whose child is at university or college, funded by NSFAS, will believe that this government is doing nothing to improve access to higher and further education. Even those whose children are attending at a low-fee school, receiving free meals every day, will believe the lie that this government is not doing anything to support the poor. Suddenly, but unsurprisingly, these people can no longer see all these good things that this ANC government is doing. Some unscrupulous politicians would be driving on the roads built by this government to come and tell you that this government is doing nothing for you. Not very long, Mr. Albi, you were told, where is RAL? We don't see, it doesn't exist. We don't see what this RAL is doing. Maybe because we don't often do what we are doing today, which I believe, CEO, you must consider all these roads that you are building. Make sure that you expose our people to them so that our people know what RAL is actually doing. I know the number of infrastructure, the number of roads from Vembe up till Koglasdal that you built in the past